Angelcare Nappy Disposal System, Blue by Angelcare is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. The Angelcare Nappy Disposal System is a convenient and hygienic way of disposing of dirty nappies. Featuring odor seal technology designed to keep bad smells at bay, this simple-to-use system makes a happier, more fragrant home. One refill cassette is included with the Nappy Disposal System, which is normally enough for up to 1 month of usage. Important: the Angelcare Nappy Disposal System, UK, is only compatible with the Angelcare refill cassettes purchased in the UK or Ireland. Hygienic push and lock. With the push and lock system, it's very easy to dispose of a nappy. Just push it through the clamp system and it'll disappear automatically into the multi-layer bag. Odor seal technology. The multi-layer film in the cassette provides effective odor barrier technology for a more fragrant home. 5x better odor control. Locks in odors 5 times better than other refill films for bins of the same brand. 2x more nappies. Holds 2x more nappies per refill than the twist and rub film. Fights germs. Refill film includes germ-fighting antibacterial coating.